Excited about the septum piercing?
God, that was so cool. It was just like,
Exactly. All right, so how was your birthday? You just
Good.
turned 18.
yeah.
Exciting.
Uh-huh.
First thing you want is some more facial piercing, right?
Yeah.
Sounds good to me. So you said I pierced you before?
Yeah, in 8th grade, you pierced my cartilage, and Valentine's Day last year, you pierced my nose.
Nice. Alrighty. Okay, so head nice and straight like that.
It wouldn't hurt.
Let me get this clamp in there. I know this isn't going to feel exciting, but bear with me for a moment.
I hated that part.
Yeah, it's the necessary evil. I'm trying to make sure your nose ring's not getting caught up in here.
Oh.
Already. Okay, hold on. Okay, hold on. We'll be done in a second. All right, sit really still. Okay, don't move.
Oh. Oh. Wow. Wow.
That needle's a good look for your nose, though. Just kidding. Okay, let me get the ball on there, and then we'll be done. The eyes are watering a little bit.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Not as bad as I thought.
That's good. It's just kind of uncomfortable because of the
Oh, it is so uncomfortable.
like eye watering and stuff. So okay, let me make sure that ball is on there good. Hold on. So if you're gonna tuck this to hide it, what you want to do is you're gonna go like this, and you're gonna pull. Yeah, that makes this area really skinny. And then all you gotta do is just kind of tuck it up inside there, so it's completely hidden. Okay, but for now I know you want to see it, so we're gonna pull it back out. Okay. All right, girl. You're all
Oh,
done.
wow.